Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can create a Python program to remove duplicate element from a list. So firstly I will define my list here. So list 1 is equals to colon equals to square brackets 1 2 3 4 6. Now currently we don't have any duplicate values, so I will add 1 here. So and after that we can do that by saying print list, and then inside this list function I will pass in the set and the list underscore 1, which is the variable name of our list. Now you can see our duplicate value has been removed. Now you can see how it is very easier to remove duplicate elements using the set function. Okay, now in this example we first convert list into a set, then we again convert it into a list. Set cannot have duplicate item in it, that's right. So set keeps only an instance of the item. Now we can go ahead and see how we can remove items that are duplicated in toList. I will create another list here, list underscore 2. So this will equals to square brackets 7 8 9. So again we will pass in 1 here and 2. Okay, and what I will do in this print function, I will pass in list and then set list underscore 1, and then here we have to put the upper this symbol. Okay, I don't know I cannot remember the name of this symbol. Usually you can find this in the keyboard for number 6. So set, so parentheses inside this list underscore 2. Now in this example, the items that are present in both lists are removed. Firstly, both lists are converted into two sets to remove duplicate items for each list. Then this symbol gets the symmetric difference of two lists, exclude the overlapping elements of two sets. Now let's go ahead and run. You can see we got only just unique values. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe.